before you ship that code. Take a sec, run your unit test, keep it all in check. Each function's tested, real small piece, like testing the brakes before you drive the beast. Arrange the setup, act with might, assert the result, did it come out right? No bugs slipping through, no hidden lies, just clean code, under testing eyes. Automated flows, every time you build, catch that error before it gets real. Test-driven dev, yeah, that's the way. Write the test first, then code all day. Mock those depths, isolate the core. Don't test the whole app, just what it's for. With Jest, Mocha, JUnit 2, unit test got your back when you push it through. No more, it works on my machine. CI/CD runs test clean. Coverage reports, keep it tight. Green check marks, that's dev delight. Save that time, save that stress. Catching bugs early is how we flex. Code indie style, no drama, no guessing. Stay bug free with unit testing.